Hi, I'm Dr. Manju. I'm an integrative physician and I'm also the creator of the 10-Day Fertility Challenge. I've been helping women navigate their fertility journey for the last several years. And what I learned from these women is that they wanted a process. They wanted an A to Z. They wanted a roadmap to help them with diet, stress, wellness, and how to navigate all the emotions that they're having. So I created this 10-day challenge precisely to meet their needs. The 10-day challenge can be done in 10 days in a stepwise fashion. It's very easy to do, or you can take your time and go through all of the material. Additionally, there are additional PDFs and ebooks on different topics related to health, wellness, and fertility in general. You can go through all of these at your own pace. But best of all, there is a community that you can bond with and connect with and trade stories with. And this is going to make your learning that much faster. It's knowledge plus implementation plus, taking action and your mindset that's going to help you get the results that you want. Why be alone when you don't have to? I made this process very easy and stress-free. If you would like to know more or have a question, feel free to ask me and send me an email. Otherwise, you can learn more about the challenge below in this page. And if you're interested, I will see you in the Facebook group. So nice to meet you, and I look forward to learning more about you. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.